Hey you guys, so it's me, Miss Boone, here to give you a endocrine disruptor, endocrine health video. And so today, really quickly, I just want to show you the cleaning products that I use. Okay, as you guys know, endocrine health, hormonal health is becoming more important now, and people are needing to see how we can, not only simplify our cleaning products and usages, but how we can clean them up, right? So I just want to show you, these are literally all of my cleaning products, like no lie. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. We got alcohol here, okay, and I would, use this either by itself or mix it with some water. Um, I won't want to say like a lot of water, but just like a little bit of water in like a spray bottle, and I will clean my windows with this, okay, and my mirrors, okay. Straight up alcohol, super cheap. Baking soda, okay. I use this to clean my tubs with. I will use this with some dishwashing soap. I use this brand, okay. I'll get to that in a minute. To clean my tub, okay. I use this to clean my dishes too, in conjunction with the dishwashing liquid, and just any other thing that needs to be brightened, as far as like getting stains out of certain things or whatever. So baking soda is, this is like an old school remedy, but it's really, really good, okay? And you can also use this to wash your clothes, okay? So I may put a little bit of this when I'm washing my clothes, or if I don't have any laundry detergent, I will just use baking soda with a little bit of essential oils, excuse me. And so, yeah, baking soda is a must, okay? Now, let me move this to the side, chat. So, when it comes to spraying my house, okay, when it comes to disinfectant spray, okay, this is also, hood edition, you know what I'm saying? So, I use this brand, okay. However, when I'm done with this, I will make my own, okay. So, when I'm done with this particular bottle of solution, I will mix distilled vinegar, okay, with some water, and then I would put in here in this spray bottle vinegar, water, and then I will use one of these essential oils here, okay. I'm gonna zoom in. So these are the essential oils that I use, okay. White thyme, okay, and I actually put this in my dishwashing liquid as well, okay. This kills bacteria. This is like top tier, okay. Along with clove, and you don't need that much because it's super potent. Clove is another one. Oregano, and you don't have to use all of these. You can use one or two or whatever. For smell and for, spiritual hoodoo purposes, I'll put some lemongrass in there along with some lime, okay. Now typically what I do, I always use, these three are really powerful, so I typically won't blend all of those together. I will just use one of these and then mix it with, lemongrass or lime or rosemary or some other like, essential oil that's not as potent per se. So white thyme is it's amazing, y'all. Clove, oregano, okay, that's literally all you need. And I've had these bottles for over a year, and I still have a lot left. Well, I won't say over a year, but close to a year. So yeah, I put that in my spray that I spray around the house, okay. And I use this spray for my countertops. I also use this too to clean my windows if I don't do the alcohol mixture that I told you guys about. Sometimes I'll spray my floor, like, something, spills or whatever. I'll spray the floor. Clean my countertops. I told you guys that already. Yeah. So, and it's been working wonders, okay? Working wonders. Now, this is the dishwashing liquid that I use. Yeah, I mentioned before. I think I already mentioned that before. And I put one of the essential oils in there. Sometimes if I run out of this, I will use Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. Okay, usually I will use the unscented one. I usually won't use this rose one. That's all I had. But you can use the unscented one. Do the same thing. Add a few essential oils. Excuse me. Put it in there, wash your dishes, dilute with water. Okay, you always want to dilute with water. Most people be using this straight up and be wondering why I be burning their damn skin, child, because you supposed to dilute it with some water, okay? And that's pretty much it, y'all. It's not, I mean, that's literally all of my cleaning products. I also use this to clean my toilet too as well, okay? I forgot to put hydrogen peroxide. I also use that as well too. I use hydrogen peroxide in my spray and cleaning products, especially as it pertains to cleaning stuff in the bathroom. And then I want to show you guys, is it still recording? Okay, who chat? Now, the biggest thing, okay, this is some rose water that I have in here mixed with some other essential oils now. And this is what I use for a perfume. The biggest thing amongst black women, all women, but especially black women, we have to stop using all of these chemical sprays, okay, from your favorite companies. I'm not going to, say the companies right now, but y'all know who I'm talking about. You may think it's for smelling good, but it's really messing with your hormones. It's really fucking up your hormones, okay? And so I use this. I do put a little bit of alcohol in here too, just so that it can stay a bit longer. And I use this, for perfume. And that's literally it. I'm going to show you guys some more products that I use, things that I make from scratch. But this is the bulk of where we have to start at as women, okay? Our cleaning products. No more using all those chemical products, you know what I'm saying? With the fumes or the fragrances and all of this stuff. And then also too, I want to mention, you want to make sure that you get stuff, especially when it comes to this soap, fragrant free, 0 fragrances, okay? You want to make sure, okay? I also use this, I forgot to mention, I use this soap as my hand washing soap in my bathroom, okay? Even when I go to work, I bring my own soap to work and just keep it at work, because if you're using those scented hand soaps, those antibacterial soaps, those are high in chemical estrogens and other chemical hormones that really alter your hormonal makeup and pretty much is an endocrine disruptor. So you want to make sure that you watch out for that, okay? And this is definitely what you have to implement, okay? When you're wanting to balance your hormones, it's not just on the food level. It's not just about taking herbs, but you got to make sure you are taking care of your cleaning products, okay? And so I'm going to leave you guys at that. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those comments below and I will get those answered. And I hope you guys learned something today and y'all have a good day. Bye.